Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's another day in Malaysia. And I am eating chicken rice. Chicken, soy sauce, cucumbers. One big bite right here. Trying to get a piece of chicken. There you go. Chicken is nice and tender and moist. Rice is good, nice and flavorful. Good stuff. Hi, what's up, guys? The chicken rice for breakfast was really good. Right now, for lunch, I'm having some Char Kuey Teow. It's basically stir-fried flat noodles. Delicacy in Malaysia. If you come to Malaysia, you have to get one of these to try. It's really, really good. My personal favorite. Alright guys, so I am in Klang, Malaysia at Malawi's Fried Kuey Teow. So that's basically what fried Kuey Teow looks like. Got some lo mein noodles, some flat noodles, it's stir-fried all together. Got some small clams, scallions, stir-fried with eggs, and they cook it on a wok. So it has that nice charcoal flavor, that nice smoky flavor. So let's dig in. My favorite. Every time I come to Malaysia, I have to get a few plates of these. Very savory. Get that smokiness from the wok. So good. See, even the baby says it's good. So I tasted something crunchy. I discovered what it is this. It's basically fried pork rinds, fried chicharrones, fried pork belly. Adds a nice salty crunchiness to it. I've actually never had Kuey Teow with the fried pork rinds. But it's good. Very good. In Malaysia, very nice. Also some Char Kuey Teows have a kick to it. This one has a very mild kick. So once you bite into it, you get the softness of the Kuey Teow. The nice hard noodles, but still soft. Not as soft as the Kuey Teow, but I like the Kuey Teow more better, honestly. So you put every ingredient on this chopstick. Creates a nice, flavorful explosion in your mouth. I can never get enough of this. So if you come to Malaysia, you have to get a plate of Kuey Teow. Honestly, the best Kuey Teow I've had in Malaysia is Penang. They're known for the Kuey Teow. So if you ever go to Penang, get some Kuey Teow. It's nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.